Hello, Ego family. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Ego here. So I got an email the other time, whereby one of the Ego members was mentioning that in their mind they know what to do. They know things intellectually in terms of maybe they do want to start a business, but that motivation and drive is not there. And this is not the first email I've gotten with this issue. Actually, it happens to the best of us, where we know things in the mind, we know the book work, and we know, we've read the books, but something is still not clicking. And that's what we're going to address today. A while ago, I remember I released a video about the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The conscious mind is the one that helps us do things that we are conscious about. You're walking, you're eating, your day-to-day things. You're consciously doing things that you're aware of. Then we have the subconscious mind. That is the blueprint. That is where everything has become automated, and that blueprint is the driving force for the conscious mind. So whatever is on the blueprint, whatever is in the subconscious mind, is what is driving your day-to-day life. So whatever you see during your day-to-day life is coming from your subconscious mind. Now you need to reprogram your subconscious mind if the results you're getting are not the ones you want, because our subconscious mind works like a thermostat. If you're in a room that is very hot or warm and you set your thermostat maybe to 78 degrees, every time the room gets hotter, your thermostat will kick in to cool the room and bring it back to 75. Every time maybe your room tries to get cold and go down, the thermostat will fall in and bring in some kind of warmth to bring it back to 78. Because our subconscious mind is there to keep us safe, is there to keep life consistent, so that we don't have to remember every little thing, right? So things are automated over there. But then if your setting is not what you want, supposing if your setting is poverty mentality, now you have a problem, because everything you do will be trying to put you back into poverty mentality. If your earning capacity or your earning number is, let me say, if it's in Ugandan shillings and you say 2 million a month and your thermostat is set at 2 million a month, believe me, even when you have an opportunity to ask for more, you won't feel worthy to ask for more, because your thermostat is set around 2 million. So how do you change that blueprint to make it different? It's through repetition of what you want until your subconscious agrees with it and captures it and automates it. And repetition of what? You find it can be a repetition of affirmations, for example, if it's your earning capacity, you can say, I earn double of what I'm earning right now. You say that to yourself all the time until you believe it, because the subconscious mind will only take things that it believes are true to you. If it feels like it doesn't believe it, it won't automate it. So you have to say things that, for example, saying things like wealth, peace, joy, and health. Wealth, peace, joy, and health. They are neutral, but they elevate you. Or I'm a pace setter. I'm a trailblazer. I have greatness in me. because you're trying to increase your boundary. You're trying to break out of the little the little box you've put yourself in, you know, in terms of your earning capacity. And you have to say this all the time and be it, because what will happen, slowly but surely you'll start taking actions towards the words you're saying. Because if you say greatness is in me, you won't be doing things that make you small. You'll start doing things to align with the greatness you're feeling inside. So with time, your subconscious will be like, oh wow, this is a thing, you know. And then you start attracting situations to yourself that will agree with your newfound faith, with your newfound position of earning double. So if it was 2 million, now it's 4 million. Now job opportunities of 4 million start showing up, you see. So the increase can be, it may be small in little increments, or you can go big. But the bigger you go, the more things you'll have to work out. Because if the subconscious is not agreeing with you, for example, you're saying I earn 2 million, okay, I'm a 10 million shilling earner a month, and yet right now you're at 100,000. Every negative thing in your mind is going to show up and be like, you know, you can make such kind of money. How are you going to make it? You see, so there will be a tug of war. And yet someone who has said an affirmation that's quite plain, for example, like, greatness is in me, I believe in prosperity, prosperity is mine, prosperity is mine, me and my family are prosperous, I'm going to spread prosperity around, you know, things that will elevate you so that you start to be in agreement, your mind, your body, your words, and your actions. Then opportunities will start flooding their way. But your setting, that blueprint has to change. This takes effort, it takes dedication. Yes, if you really want a change, you'll have to dedicate yourself to practices to unprogram your mind. And you'll know that you've unprogrammed your mind when you see the evidence outside of you. Because these things don't lie. If your blueprint is in the right place, you'll see the opportunities come your way. These things work. These things have been practiced by so many. And I'll recommend the book again, The Power of the Subconscious Mind by James Allen. So look it up and find one thing you need to change in your life. If you see it's a pattern that's happening but then you don't like it, then find an affirmation that you can follow, then repeat that affirmation until it becomes true to you, you know, and until you start seeing results in your physical atmosphere that it is working. All right, this is Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.